This is a certified pre-owned 2007 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a navigation system, a Bose stereo system, leather seats, running boards, fog lamps, traction control, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 22,000 miles. Not to mention that this Cadillac qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Thank you for considering Bomarito St. Peters for your next vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership and ask about the Bomarito Advantage. Bomarito St. Peters, where price sells cars.